Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we share a new and very exciting website, a very good number panel and very cheap number panel, Durian Cloud. Durian Cloud is a very cheap number panel in recent time. So let's see. First of all, it's our site. We can see it's a Chinese site. Chinese always give product in low price. Well, Durian Cloud. Uh, Here we can select country. Many countries here you can see. Most of the time we take from USA number, Bangladeshi number, Indian number. Okay, so what type of service you need? You can search from here. You can see you can take Amazon number, Facebook number, many more number you can see, PayPal number, Yahoo number, and very most important number, Google Voice number available in this site. Okay, you can take number here from here. If we convert it in English, here you can see get mobile number from here. Here switch to old version. You can also switch in old version. You can see here old version. It's also a good view. Okay, so now let's see our top up option. You can recharge in this site in this method, TRX TRC20 USDT. Maximum people recharge in TRX because it's suitable for us, low transaction fee. Okay, now we share you how can you create a Durian Cloud account. Here is our site. We change language because it's comfortable for me to browse. Here you have to write a proper username. Okay, I just give a random password. Mobile name optional, and here is Gmail. We need a Gmail. Okay, we collect a Gmail address from my notepad. I collect a Gmail. Here is most important part, invitation code. If you want to make a Durian Cloud account, you need a invitation code. For invitation code, you may contact with me. I give my information in description, and also you can contact me by my channel, Telegram channel. Here is my Telegram channel, everything by cell. I share my Telegram channel link in description box. So if you need invitation code, please contact or I sell many bank like Cash App, GoTo, Spendwell, Chime, PayPal, Square App, and SSN also. So if you need anything, you can contact me. All my information is in description box. So thank you. Happy earning.